Alright guys, what's going on? Got a good one here. This thing got towed in. Won't stay running. Wrench light on, check engine lights on. I don't have my IDS. I got an on another vehicle. It's a 6.8 V10. I have a short circuit. We have, let's see, find all the codes. Well, anyways, I got a master flow code, heater circuit for the OT sensors, and the intake runner too, P0660. So I'm thinking, oh, here's all the codes. So this is telling me what's going on. So I'm thinking, what is it trying to tell me? I got circuit high. That means either all those things are disconnected, which I doubt, or there's no power to it, or 12 volts or 5 volts reference, depends which circuit it is. So I did some research, found out another dealership put a new motor or engine in this vehicle. So now I got it. So what's the common denominator on this? So I looked at the wire diagram. Since I'm lazy, I looked at the mass airflow sensor first, which is this one, mass airflow. So I'm thinking, okay, what do they all have in common? So I'm looking. I see that there's power, so I go, all right, let's go to 25.6, which is this one. So I'm looking, D, and it's that fuse 3420 amp. So I'm looking down from top to bottom, power to ground, or to the load. I'm looking, oh, that's the same cone I got. Oh, look at that, intake runner too as well. So there's my common denominator. Now let's go take a look. Obviously I already looked at it, but showing the ropes. There's a 20 amp fuse. I'm sure it's burnt the fuck. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, you can tell. So I put a 30 amp fuse in there. I know you're not supposed to put a higher one, but I wanted to see if it was a dead short. It didn't pop. Started up. I got it over here. Now I gotta look at where my short is at. Let me jump up here. So I'm looking. I see nothing on this side. Master airflow sensor. I don't see anything, shorted. But I'm looking on this side. I noticed that the harness is left loose, not even on the bracket or on the studs right here. Oops. So I'm looking. I don't see anything out of the ordinary up here. Since they did an engine, I gotta figure out what's most likely. They pinched a wire or left something loose. So I looked underneath. What's this? I want to look at the O2 sensors. Maybe they're shaping somewhere or they got pinched. I didn't see anything. There's the blue wires. Sorry about that. There's the blue wires. Didn't see anything. I'm looking up top to see if the wires are pinched between the engine and trans. Maybe when they install it, didn't see anything. So I got on this side. I see the blue wire. And then I was looking right there in the exhaust manifold. I don't know if you guys see that. Right there. Oops. Right there. Let's see if I can adjust it. Anyways, I see the engine harness is not secured. And right where my gloves were at is sitting on top of the exhaust manifold. Or at the edge. So you can see how this thing is just fucking hanging there, and it was just sitting on top of the exhaust manifold. So let's see if we get a closer look. You see it all burnt. Boy, it's hard to do it one-handed. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so you can see the harness is melted. Wires are damaged, as you can see. Yeah, so they didn't secure it right. Improper repair. And you can see it. This is supposed to sit on top right there like that. It's just hanging down loose. Look at that. So yeah. So it took me about 20 minutes going back and forth, and now I just gotta repair it. It's gonna be about, I don't know, 5 to 6 hours total repair, because I don't know what else I gotta deal with it, and recheck for any other concerns. You can just tell the workmanship from the other dealer, it's just not there. They did a pretty job. So we talked to the customer, and they said they're not going back over there for sure. So that's how we get clientele, do the work properly and fix their problems. So you're doing a half-assed job. So thought I'd show you guys. Thought I'd share that with you guys, since I haven't made a video in a while. Been very, very busy. So just by looking at the wire diagram and understanding how it flows, or how the electronics work, you can find anything within a matter of minutes instead of taking days and days on out. And also, performing a visual inspection is key. Visual inspection. So, alright guys, catch you guys next time.